Hello everyone, welcome back to I Am Kolkata. Today I am a chef Charlie and I am going to show you how to make a very easy and simple recipe, it's Italian dessert. The name is Tiramisu. For that we are going to take 2 egg yolks here, 100 gram of sugar, then we have mascarpone cheese. This is important for the tiramisu. We have 100 gram of mascarpone cheese. Then we have whipped cream over here. Then we have over here is espresso mixed in hot water. So we have put in a mixed cafe over here, and we have mixed this in hot water. So this is a coffee syrup which we are going to use to give the lady's finger. So we have your lady's finger made from sponge cake. This is the base of the tiramisu. So let's get started. First of all, we will take the eggs and we'll put it in a mixing bowl. Take the eggs and put it in a mixing bowl. We'll add the sugar in it. And then we start the machine, start beating it from there. There you go, the sugar. You know, 5 minutes, okay? There you go, the sugar. We add vanilla. We add 10 ml of vanilla on top. With the eggs and the sugar together, that will add the. We stop it and we add the mascarpone cheese. See, we have mascarpone cheese. But add this 100 grams. And then start. It is beat for some time. Then we get ready everything. Beating something. Let the beating go on until we get a fine smooth batter. Okay. Very easy recipe. You can take it home. And then add in the. This is a whipped cream. Okay. This is a whipped cream. We're going to add the whipped cream in this. Start the machine again. The batter is almost ready. We take it out from the bowl. You have to mix this a little properly here. Currently, you see the bowl over here. You're going to mix it properly. You get the smooth, almost smooth batter. It's semi-thick batter, okay? Take it out in the bowl. This is a batter with the mascarpone cheese, whipped cream, egg yolk, and sugar. This is the filling, the layer which we are going to make. We are going to fill with this batter. So this is the main part we have finished. We have the lady's finger, we have the espresso coffee liquid, plus we have the mascarpone cheese batter. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We're just going to set it in the arrangement. We're going to arrange it, and then we are going to set it in the fridge for at least 7-8 hours or overnight. Okay. So we'll proceed to make the final mixture. So what we'll do, we'll take the lady's finger, we'll dip it in the espresso liquid, and we will arrange it like this in the base for the tiramisu. Let it soak properly. You'll get the coffee flavor, okay, in the sponge cake or in the lady's finger. We can use sponge cake base or we can use lady's finger, but whatever the available. Okay, and then we fill this with the cream. Okay, one more over here. See, suppose you can make bigger bowl for more people. If you have a lot of guests, we can make a bigger bowl. If you have few guests, I'm making for 3-4 portion maximum. So I'm taking a smaller bowl. Spread evenly with a spoon, or you can use a small spatula. And then we'll make the next layer. It's a very famous Italian dessert. They use it also in all the restaurants in Italy. And then into the topping. Make sure you spread it evenly nicely so it looks good, the finishing. Okay? This is the main part, it's the base. The filling is the main part, okay? So you try to make a good filling for it, otherwise you won't get that unique taste of mascarpone cheese, okay? So you spread evenly, nicely over here. Okay, and this is the final finishing, almost is done. So we will top it with cocoa powder. Cocoa powder we dust with the cocoa powder. Okay. Take a strainer, see, take some cocoa powder over here for the dusting. Take cocoa powder here. We dust on top, okay? So we have the finishing done over here. It's nice. Okay. So then this is we will have to keep this in the fridge overnight. You see the layers over here, and then we will put this in the fridge overnight. Put it in the fridge overnight, and we have to take it out and decorate with the beef cream and all. Okay. See, this is the finishing over here. We will decorate with the cream. We'll show you all the decoration. So here we have the finished product. Here, so I have left it overnight. This after we had made one before and earlier to show you how. The finishing is after decoration. So this is the tiramisu. We have decorated with some whipped cream and cherries for the topping. It's nice and beautiful. So you can cut it and with a spoon you scoop it and serve it on a plate. Give it to your guest. A very good and very tasty recipe. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.